Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna. I'm new to YouTube and I'm also new to stained glass. My boyfriend built me this beautiful workbench. Just ignore that mess over there. That's where my glass is gonna go. Not there yet. So he just finished this and I'm getting ready to put all my stuff here. So I thought it'd be a fun little video to show you everything I have. Let's get started. All right, my dog's gonna be here. He's gonna be on the way. Okay, so my aunt has done stained glass for over 30 years and she's teaching me her way. So she's given me a lot of stuff, so I'm very lucky and grateful to be able to have somebody give me extra tools and to have those tips and guidance ready to me. So she gave me this. It's actually one of those little things that you put utensils for cooking. So, to put like my tools in. So, and I got this cute little basket. I don't really know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I'll just set it up here. Let's see, this is my little stash of stuff. So, I got these microfiber cleaning cloths, good for like when you put your polish on to like rub it off. I think I'm actually going to put these in here. Alright, so my aunt's teaching me the method where when you cut the glass, you cut out your pattern and you glue it on. So I have the spray adhesive for that purpose. But I also, based on watching other people on YouTube, I see a lot of people draw it on, and I'm trying that too. So I'm just trying to figure out what method is going to work best for me. So I have some Sharpies. So I can just stick that in here. Little metallic one for, hopefully it will work good on black glass, because I had an issue with that the other day where I had to glue it on. Let's see what else. Okay, so some other tools. We got some running pliers for glass cutting. And then some like snippers. And then, I don't really know what these are called, to hold it, so it doesn't cut it. Safety goggles, need these, cutting glass, and for the grinder. I also have gloves out by my grinder, but don't really like using them. Here's another, are there pliers? Is that what they're called, pliers? Like smaller ones. We'll just stick those right in there. Alright, so these I actually found when I was going through stuff for when I used to like bead. I thought they were really cute and they might come in handy. But they're kind of small. Oh, shit. Got some other little scissors. An X-Acto knife. Mine's pink. This is just a piece of stick that I have been using as my burnishing tool for the foil. Oh, here's another pair of those little scissors. A little paintbrush. Most of mine are being used. So this stuff came with my soldering iron, or no, this did, to like change the temperature. I don't really use it, and this came with, did this come with it? I don't even know. No. I think this came with the, for the oil, to put the oil in my cutter. So, here's more scissors. These I'll be using later It's a new grinder bit for my grinder. I guess I haven't changed it out yet. I'll just stick that in. These are little pegs that you put in there to hold your glass. So I'll be setting these up when I go through all my glass and put that over on this shelf that will eventually be cleaned off here. So, let's see. Oh, here's another Sharpie. So I got it. Oh, no, not one. Alright, there's this extra one. Okay, so I have my flux. I guess I'll probably put all this stuff here. I have two. One of them's brand new. I don't know which one's been open. Probably, maybe this one. So I'm just gonna put those back here. And then I have black patina. In the garage, I have copper patina. My patina's back there. Some glass cutter oil. And my polish. I have a ruler. Do straight lines. Let's go here. So here's my soldering gun. Oh, let me get this out first. This is the little jar that I keep my oil in. For this, I keep that nice and oiled. Put that over there for now. So my soldering irons, nothing special. I just got it from Hobby Lobby. Don't know how I feel about it yet because like I've used my aunt's and hers just seems so much better. But she says she has two houses, so she says she uses this one at her other house. But I don't know. I'm still kind of learning like the gauges of like temperature when it's too hot or too cold. So, and then I hemostat. So that plugs into here, and then this plugs into the wall. So I have this turned it all the way because I felt like when I had it down lower, it just didn't work. Set those up. This is for my soldering iron to go into, so I'll just go ahead and put that in there. And the copper foil dispenser. Brand new. Haven't opened it up yet. Okay, so I've been using this one, which is the copper back. So I'll go ahead and put that one in there. Oh, it has like little numbers on there. Did not know that. I haven't opened it up yet. I'm just gonna stick it in there for now. And then I haven't used them yet, a silver back and a black back copper foil. So those don't fit in there, so I'm just gonna set up some here for now. And then maybe go ahead and put that right there. Alright, tip cleaner for my soldering iron. I don't really know what. Put that right there. Okay, so here are little jumpering hoops to add on the back to help hang stuff up. So I also have copper tinned wire. I have 20 and 16. Those bad boys up there. Alright, and then solder. So like I said, my aunt's been teaching me. So she swears by 50-50, but I also been watching all YouTube videos and it seems like everybody online uses 40-60. So this is 50-50. And I went ahead and bought the 60-40. I just want to try it out for myself, you know. It's a learning experience. Like, I'll figure out what's going to work best for me. And then when I was visiting Denver, we went to this used craft store, and I was able to find this little bit of copper, oh my gosh, solder for $1.80, so like might as well. I mean, it's less expensive. This thing here is $13. And then I bought this little tub. Don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet. Probably like to rinse it off. Don't know if it'll be like an after grinder rinse off or to like get other stuff off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I kind of have right now. And then I have a bunch of glass that I need to put away because I just been waiting for my stuff to be done. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.